So hey there, wonderful people. Today we have got some important news to share with you all. If you have been using Conceptboard and find that the link wasn't working very well, we have got a solution for you. So here is the idea. If you can see, the previous Conceptboard link was this one, and you can see it's not working anymore. Whenever we are gonna try to go there, it says reload and it's not working. So as far as I think, the link has been actually malfunction and we need to move to the new board link. So here is the new board link. If you go there and you need to click, so you can see it's gonna redirect you on your board. So what you have to do, you just have to use your previous credentials for login, and then it will start working again. So I also can show you. Here you can see I have relogin and I have got all of my previous board. So let me just tell you a good news. Don't worry about this link. I'm gonna share it in your description box. From there, what you can do, you just need to click on this link, and by using your old credential you can actually get the Conceptboard again, and that definitely working in the same way. The good news is that you actually can find that all of your previous board, yes, you heard it right, all your hard work and creativity from before can back in action. Let me just show you. This is my, these are all my previous board where I have already worked. You can see these are my different students where I have worked with them. If I would click any of these board, it will start working again. Let me just click this one, and here you can see it's loading. So yeah, here you can see, and from there again you can copy the link and share with the student. Thank you so much for watching, and please share your feedback. How amazing is that? And we are thrilled to bring you this solution, and we hope to make it Conceptboard experience even would be the same. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates and tips. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating. And don't worry, I'm gonna share the link for this new Conceptboard link in the description. Thank you. Have a good day.